Hi guys, here comes the new 2023 Chevrolet Montana pickup. Is a very compact and light two-cab unibody truck by Chevrolet corporate standards, which will be manufactured by General Motors at the Sao Caetano do Sul assembly plant in Brazil. Unfortunately for potential U.S. customers, the Chevrolet Montana won't be sold in this part of the world, handing over the compact unibody truck segment to established Hyundai Santa Cruz and Ford Mavericks. Currently, the Chevrolet Montana car is presented only in the Maximum LTZ and Premier configurations, so the initial cost is not small, around $26,000. 2023 Chevrolet Montana specs. Under the hood, the Chevy compact pickup is powered by a 1.2-liter turbo flex 3-cylinder engine like the LIH and the Trailblazer and Trax, pushing out 133 horsepower and 155 lb-ft of torque. Even the transmission, suspension, steering and tires are specifically made for the Chevrolet Montana. Paired with a 6-speed mechanical or automatic transmission depending on the car configuration. The electronics of the machine allow for up to 3 times more calibration variables than previous generation pickups, ensuring much more efficient operation. Considering that the second-generation Montana will feature an old-fashioned 1.4-liter EconoFlex and a 1.3-liter multi-jet turbo diesel, it's no surprise that the much newer design trumps both of them in terms of efficiency. General Motors do Brazil promises the best ratio between acceleration and fuel consumption in its segment without going into specifics. The automaker did cite best-in-class fuel economy for its auto-equipped models. It is not known whether a manual transmission will be available. Interior design. Also, depending on the configuration, the equipment changes. In the cabin you can see an 8-inch display and climate control, JBL audio system and artificial leather seats. And for the open body, various regulators and protective covers are offered.